Hello fellow rebels, and welcome back to the channel. And today's video is a bit different. My jackets are up, getting the new patches on them. I'll show you the patches here or somewhere on the film anyway. I didn't show you them yet, but I got them for the road adventures. You remember them well from last year. If you tune in for the first time, the road adventures is like loads of points every month to go get your picture with your bike, and then you get points, and then there's various bonus ones every month, and then you get points for those as well. So yeah, it's well worth doing anyway. Back to today's video. Jacket's off getting patches. I obviously can't ride the bike because I don't have a bike jacket, so I wouldn't do it. For safety, the one time you do it, something would happen, so I wouldn't do it. So today I'm going to do the front calipers. I'm going to take them off, see what condition they're in. The pads look okay. You know, the pads look okay from what I've seen, but they're rusty on the outside. But I think they're good on the inside, but there's a slight squealing when I'm stopping, so I really want to check that out. And I'm confident enough to take it off now, and then I'll wash the calipers with this and my trusty toothbrush. And then these are the pieces I'm using. So last time I had loads of shit out, I didn't know what I was doing, but now I have a 14 socket 5mm Allen key head, and then I just have this. It keeps, it's the distance it keeps between the brake pads and stuff like that, and that's just a magnetic little pole, so if any screws come loose or anything like that. So yeah, let's get cracking, and I look forward to seeing what they're like. And like I said, I got the confidence from the other videos, which I'll put up there as well, the back brake calipers or the rear brake calipers. So enough talking, let's get started. Actually, the front one is a 12 socket and the rear is a 14, so we're learning already. Too easy. This may have been done before. Cheers, bite.
You don't catch anything around yet.
That's the main part, isn't it? The front brake calipers has the two bolts here, obviously, but the difference here is there's only one of these pins here. So if you can see it in here, where on the back we had two pins for the 5mm Allen key. Up here that we've only one. I'm going to take these off and see how they go from here. So this bolt and that bolt there. This one must have been done at some stage because it's so much easier. Now, so there we go. That's it there. So I'm going to check the pads. I'm going to see what condition it's in. See there, kind of rusted on the back, but there's a nice bit of left on them. So a little trick: take out the pin, put a cloth on it if it's not coming out, and then get the vice grips. Doesn't damage the thread at all. Rebel tip. As you can see, it's dirty. It's a bit of a cleaning, but not we can't fix. So we're going to give the calipers a good wash with this, just soapy hot water and a toothbrush. So look, you can see the difference in it already with just a little scrub of like 2 minutes. And the difference of it already, you know. I'm going to keep scrubbing away anyway, and that should help clean them, helps clean the pistons and all that kind of stuff as well. So just a good little maintenance thing to do now. I'm going to give them the little bracket to clean up as well, you know. Let's start on everything the better. Yeah, so that was a nice little clean on that. Hope you can see it better. It's mad the bit of confidence you get after doing a couple, like doing the repairs like I did on the back one. So yeah, happy enough with that. Just going to dry it off now. Give it a proper dry and stuff like that, and I'll give this a wash. Not that it needs it, but you know, might as well clean it when I have it open like that now, so why not? Yeah, so there you go. How clean that is. Happy out. Now we'll just put it back together. So I'm just putting back in the pads now. let's see, it's handy here. See the pin there? See the pin? That's handy to hold the first one in, and then put the other one over and just slide it in then. So there's a little catch with the back one. You have to get the plate in here. See it there a bit closer. See that little groove there? In there. In there. You have to get the little groove, this part, this little sharp part, in there before you tie in the bolt, because it's ahead of it then otherwise. So fit it in there. See the way it is flush like that? I didn't get that the first time, so it has to be flush in there like that. Take it out again. So flush in there like that. It won't go in underneath first, and then you screw the bolt and goes back through it. Can't see it through the camera, I'll show you the picture anyway, okay? Ready to go back now. Like I said, you can see the gap there. Let's push that back and the gap will be there. Right, that's done. They're back on. Happy days. Let's give the front brake a few pumps now and we'll be good to go. That's grand. I'm going to harden up a bit more now. And harden up now, and I'm going to give them a spin up and down anyway. Just up and down the garden and get them right. Fellow rebels, I hope you enjoyed that video. Really happy with it. Cleaned out the calipers and all that kind of stuff. It's mad what you learn doing repairs for the first time, and then your confidence level after that. So hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. It was really good. You know, cleaned out the calipers, knew what I was doing. That was the main thing, and knew what tools I needed as well. Well, obviously except the 12mm, but I didn't have a stack of tools that I was falling over or loads of things that were just in my way. I knew what I was doing. Obviously the light is crap. If you enjoyed the video before with the rear calipers, you'll enjoy this one. The front calipers, just one or two little differences in it, with the pin, where the pins are, and where the little pin holder, I say, is as well, is a bit different, but you know, not out of the ordinary or anything like that. So thanks very much for watching. Until next time, Deise Rebel out.